better than the other one, although it doesn't really project a high beam. That could be an issue. It does look nicer though, but that's the only issue. But you're always going to get a spot in the middle anyway, so we'll see how it goes. I've got little LEDs coming for this as well to go in here. I don't know if it's going to be big enough or, but best open the garage door before I gas myself out. So I've just got to run a few errands today, or for now. So I've got this camera on, I've got this camera on. We'll see how it goes. Definitely looks more modern now. Why, I don't understand why they just didn't do like a special LED light in there themselves. Would have made more sense. You know what I forgot? Yeah. Now all I gotta do really is test. Let's turn that shit down a minute. Oh my god, that's even worse. So it definitely does pay to get that extra segment on there. So I'm currently trying out this product called Sneak. Dogfly, I've already discussed this with you. It's sort of like a non-carbonated energy drink. Some of them work, some of them don't. And when I get a chance, I'll incorporate a whole entire list for you guys of which ones I found nice and which ones I recommend, because some of them do work genuinely. What's happening, guys? This is literally going to be a really super duper quick one, and this is me of the Sony ECS3. I've basically added the Purple Panda dead cat to the one side, and then I've wrapped the entire thing in general around the whole thing and shoved it into my cheek pad. Now baby needs a clean at some point, but I just wanted to speak to you a little bit about my plans as well. Obviously I'm not sure how lockdown is going to pan out, whether shit's going to subside, but my plan is to try and figure out what's the problem with the mic, do some tests and make sure the camera is, you know, functioning so I can carry on vlogging. I want to do some green lane and I want to do some bits and bobs here and there, like apologies if the quality is all messed up. I've been like literally taking shit apart on the camera because I try not to move my setup once I've done it, just to utilize longevity, but obviously the problem is the camera, the old mic adapter, like the TRS to TRS it's all a fucking mouthful to say, keeps cutting the camera mic sound out, so I don't know whether I clipped it incorrectly, to be honest. However, it could be a number of things. It could be the fact that my actual, you know, the GoPro specific adapter for the 5, 6 and 7, and I believe is 8 as well, I'm not entirely sure off the top of my head, but needless to say, it's still a possibility that it could be that. However, I won't know really until this video, because this microphone does not require a TRS adapter at all. Go along the bypass just very quickly and then loop back round into town, into Riska, and go from there. I am then hopefully going to enjoy this mic to its full capacity. and hopefully, fingers crossed, it will be so what I'm going to do is close all my vents and we're going to do a test in a minute. And hopefully, sorry if I'm shouting, because obviously I'm going to get up to speed now, so this is about 55, well 50. A bit of wind noise coming through. To carry on vlogging, as I said earlier, but my main intentions is going to be to sort out this mic for now. As this update video consists of, as I've got three, I think it's a couple of other videos on the back burner. Oh my god, so slow. I was supposed to be doing a fucking windy test, but yeah. Ah, here we go. Okay, we can do a low speed test. I believe there's lights or something or up here. But I'm going to filter through anyway when I get a chance and everyone stops. I'll just keep yakking your ears off then while I try and keep my view open. So hopefully the mic isn't spazzing out right now. That is placed into this bit by here, so I'm not sure what the circumstance is going to be, to be honest. It's certainly a mind-boggling one. So fingers crossed the mic is functioning, doing well, yada yada yada, and we can start progressing with the moto vlogs again. I do miss it. I do miss it a lot. And I've still, yeah, because I'm on I'm actually on my 8 off now, so in my other videos you'll probably find that I'm mentioning I'm on my 2 off, yada yada yada. Those videos were recorded a very long time ago, so I'm actually now on my 8 off. Get this out the way with, fingers crossed. Well, you'll see from this video outcome whether I upload it or not, because I'll literally just scrap the video. I don't like having no content per se, so it can get a little frustrating. Like the last couple of times that I recorded a video, well, not just one video actually, I recorded 3 videos, 3 long ass videos that I cut up into about 4 episodes per se, and to get it stuck into, well, literally silence. I had quite a close call with someone else, with a car as well. I had quite a few close calls, so, and I managed to miss, well, I didn't miss it, it's just, it had no sound, so it had no dialogue. Yes, it has context, but I don't want to have content that I just want to slap music over for the sake of it, to get views. I don't want to do that. I'm doing it to be, you know, have the enjoyment of making videos. When I get 100 subs, happy days. I'm on 79 at the momento. Camera, this microphone's holding up and it's actually functioning. Hopefully I'm not screaming in your ears, otherwise I can control the levels anyway. It's not an issue. I can control the well, all of the levels actually. I can control it all. It's not an issue. The question is where the issue resides, to be fair. Right, I'm gonna go through Crumlin, no, Cumcan. I wonder. Tell you what does good food with this, Scooby-Doo. It's a Scooby-Doo van. It does absolutely fucking stunning food. It's called the one food's called a Scooby snack. But fuck me, is it huge. It's not a Scooby snack, it's fucking behemoth of a burger. With endurance, that the mic is doing what I want it to do. Whoa! Yeah, so I still got a sticky throttle, which could be either end. Pop, pop, pop. Oh, I love the reverb in this area. So I've positioned the mic in such a way, I believe it's right up, left down, I'm not entirely sure. I've just placed it in my cheek pads and hoped for the best, to be fair. So hopefully, because it's in the helmet, it shouldn't be too bad. And hopefully I'll have you guys a wonderful episode out. And then I'll give you something to fucking natter about. And well, to the guys that want to get a GoPro or a decent microphone, I know Welsh Biker, I know you were in the market for one. If this mic is similar to what you're actually looking for, as opposed to getting the drift one, all you need is a bit of foam. You can get deals on Amazon. I know you've got an Amazon account because you're always fucking buying off Amazon and eBay, so have a nose on there, mate. I've heard good things about this microphone. Let's just hope it's not the GoPro mic adapter that is the issue. Let's hope it was the TRS to TRRS mic adapter converter thingy. It's basically a converter. It converts it from stereo to mono, so it's one track, not two. Basically that's what's I believe is stereo. I think I got that the right way around. It makes two tracks for stereo, which is the one that we're currently using now, so I'm using at the minute, which makes sense because it basically creates two layers and then you have your left and your right, but the GoPro sort of compresses that anyway. It sort of does the calculations, etc. So let's get out the way of the main road and go through Fernley. The one thing I need to sort out as well is front tyre, but I'm not in any dramatical rush yet. I really hope that this microphone is actually 10 times better than the thank you for not riding out in front of me. I hope this mic is 10 times better than the Purple Panda. In terms of longevity, I'm like literally the laziest person you could fucking meet with how microphone setups go. As in, wrap it around the camera sort of thing, or stuff it in the cheek pad. But the problem with these mics are, even though they are moderately priced, they're not necessarily cheap. Like 20-30 quid for a microphone, for a lapel microphone, is not cheap for me. Like, I mean, the condenser technology might be proficient, however, that isn't always the case. Now, it does mean that there's not much play within the microphone cable, which can pose an issue further down the line, which I believe it has with my TRS to TRRS mic adapter, which is 100% a problem because I had intermittent mic quality issues. I did try my VoIP microphone, however, as an idiot as I am, I rushed the solution and found that I hadn't actually fully plugged in the microphone into the TRRS to TRS adapter. So it voided my situation, so I caved and bought some additional, well, this Sony mic out of my money. all is well. Hope you guys liked the video. Click to this subscribe button for more content like this and additional content that I will reveal further down the line. However, for now, hit that like button, give me some love.